Hello guys, if you wanna use AdBlock on your Android device, in our case it will be on the LG Q60. For the first you have to download AdBlock. So let's go to the Google Play and type here AdBlock. I will go with this one, click on the install. Now we have to wait until this application finish download. Okay, now it is installing, so we are almost finished. And now click on the open. Now we have to accept service, use this marker to go next, click on the proceed, open with free AdBlock browser as always. Click on this arrow, and now when we go on our website HardReset.Info, there will be no any ads. Okay, so as you can see, this is our website, and when we click here, our AdBlock block for ads, and we saved a few megabytes. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.